Welcome back. Today, I'm excited to tell you about new card protection. We're diving into DragonScale Supplies. Get ready for top-tier card protection solutions that change everything. As a card collector, don't you hate when your prized cards get damaged? It's nerve-wracking. But DragonScale is here to solve that pain with their incredible products. Let's jump in. The first standout is their massive card case. It stores up to 15 cards securely, protecting them from scratches and movement. The impressive quality includes a lock for extra security. Suitable for both PSA and BGS slabs, it's versatile and reliable. Next, let's talk about DragonScale's slab protectors. These high-quality sleeves are thicker and designed to prevent scratches on your precious cards. Trust me, once you use these, you'll feel their difference. And don't miss out on their bumper guards. They wrap around the edges of your slabs, ensuring ultimate protection during transport. Available in stylish colors like magma, they're affordable and simple to use. So why DragonScale? Their unmatched quality, durability, and variety make them the best. Get your own discount codes to save even more. And as always, we're launching new products all the time to protect your cards and valuable collections. So stay tuned for details. Ready to elevate your card protection? Don't miss out. Click the link below. Grab your DragonScale supplies at affiliate list shop DragonScale Supplies. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and hit yes if you received value from this content. Hit the like button and subscribe. Tell us what you would like us to review next. The best card protection awaits you. All the tools you can get paid to promote are also free to sign up for. Everything you need to get started is completely free. Click the link in the description to start saving now at affiliate list shop DragonScale Supplies. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.